Hey guys, Michael Abrams here, Walnut Ridge Family RV Sales here in Newcastle, Indiana. Guys, want to make sure I let you know this weekend we are doing our final extension of our show pricing through the end of Saturday, March 14th. We'll be here 9 to 5 for an open house, free food, free drink, rain or shine. We've got plenty of units outside. We've got some units inside the showroom here too. And we're going to start here in the showroom with a 2026 Montana. This is the 3532 SP. SP for a really cool feature we'll show off here in just a second. You got big pass-through, basement storage, all your water hookups, your convenience bay on the opposite side of that. Full hydraulic auto level here. You've got your 4-step solid step entry. Love the new safety rail grab handle using to get into the coach. Big awning coming out about 8 foot. You've got your 2 exterior speakers here. Here's the SP for your Montana, the new side patio. This operates just like a slide out via a switch inside the coach. The cable system drives it out, so nothing manually you're having to do to pull this guy out. But let's go inside, check out the interior. All right, guys, so we're inside that 2026 Montana, the 3532 SP, the side patio. Upstairs, master bedroom, you've got the king bed on the slide out. Love the new headboard they did on the Montana. New relook on the front wardrobe. You've got separate storages, 4 different hanging rods, 2 on each side. Prep for a washer and dryer up here as well. Plenty of storage spots. You've got 4 drawers and then a little laundry hamper they gave you here as well. And again, you can shut that off, close it all off as well. TV in the bedroom, fully boxed into the Montana. Little extra storage here. And then, of course, you have your underbed storage on your struts, giving you a hose for your integrated central vacuum here as well. We'll step down. Bathroom here. Love the new lighting they did. Upgraded shower, full fiberglass surround. Plenty of storage. Even coming with a toilet paper holder and a little extra there as well. So you have 3 ACs total on the Montana here, 1 up in the master bedroom. You have 1 here in the kitchen as well as the back living room. But your full-size appliance, your big 12-volt fridge here, your residential-size microwave. Love the raised stovetop, bigger oven, tons of counter space in the side patio Montana here. Has the new kitchen faucet with your upside-down cup rinser. Probably a more technical term for that. Beats me. But you got the big L-shaped sofa in the back here from Lazy Boy. You have the trifold bed coming out on one side. 2 recliners here facing right towards your televator. So you can take that down, hide it away with your electric fireplace. And of course, the JBL sound system. Then you have the little extra bar top counter here facing your campsite. Great windows. You see your integrated blinds into those windows there as well. And then, of course, we got to show off the big highlight of the 3532 SP. You have your side patio. Put a couple lawn chairs out here. You have the awning to protect. If it's raining, you can still sit out here and enjoy the day, have your morning coffee or your drinks at night. Guys, don't forget about our open house this Saturday, March 14th, 9 to 5. Come get some barbecue. Come get some great deals.